In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage blog tags in HubSpot. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your blog content, help visitors discover related posts, and improve how you categorize topics internally. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your tag settings in HubSpot, how to create new tags, and then how to manage them over time so your blog stays clean and easy to navigate. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand toolbar and find the content icon. Hover over it to reveal the content options, then click on blog. This will bring you into your main blog area where all of your posts and settings live. In the top right corner of this blog view, you'll see a button labeled Configure. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Tags. This opens the blog tags area where you can see all the tags that already exist in your account. To create a new tag, click the Add New Tag button. A pop-up window will appear. Here, type in the name of your new tag. Make sure the name is clear and specific so you and your readers understand what kind of content it applies to. Next, select the appropriate language for that tag, which is especially helpful if you manage content in multiple languages. When you're ready, click Create. Your new tag will now appear in the table, along with columns showing its name, how many live posts use it, the total posts associated with it, and when it was last used. Now let's look at how to manage your tags. At the top of the tag table, you'll see an option to edit columns. Click this, and a pop-up will let you choose which columns you want to display. You can include details like live posts, total posts, blogs, last used, and language. This is useful for tailoring the view to what matters most to you. After making your selections, click Save. In the table, you'll notice checkboxes on the left side of each row. These allow you to select multiple tags at once so you can bulk edit them. With bulk actions, you can delete tags you no longer need or combine similar tags to reduce clutter and duplication. If you hover your mouse over any individual tag, two buttons will appear: Edit and More. Clicking Edit opens a pop-up where you can change the tag's name or language. Once you make your updates, click Update to save your changes. Under the More button, you'll see several additional options. You can create a multi-language variation of that tag, add it to an existing multi-language group, combine it with another tag if you have duplicates, or delete it entirely if it's no longer relevant. Use these tools to keep your tag structure tidy, especially as your content library grows. And that's it. You now know how to create new blog tags in HubSpot and manage them effectively to keep your blog organized and easy to explore.